All right, so let's start this episode. That's right. Okay, so let's start with the palette. Let's start by putting the colors on the palette, right? And here we are. So with the light color, just gonna get the white. I'm gonna use lead white. Right. So now lead white. Then we have. I'm gonna use Naples yellow. Naples yellow. I used it last time. We used it last time for the skin tone, and it was very good base, right? Actually, I'm gonna get both Naples yellow, light and dark. These are genuine Naples yellow, made by Michael Harding. It's expensive, right? This is it's about, I think this is about $50-$60, right? Can't remember, but it's toxic, right? Of course, it's a little skull there, but it's a beautiful color, so just don't eat it. That's all right. Don't keep it on your skin. In fact, you might have noticed I just put my cream on my hand, right, to protect my skin from absorbing the paint, right? All right. So this is yellow ochre. I see this nice yellow, right, coming, gradually getting a little bit darker and warmer. Raw sienna. Raw sienna, it's a little bit of a cooler and darker color. So all these colors are very important for to altering, right, the chroma, the value, the temperature of the other colors without being too disruptive, right? So now I have this is transparent red oxide, right? So white, Naples yellow, light and dark, yellow ochre, raw sienna, and then we have here transparent red oxide, and which is a red earth, meaning it's a low chroma, but it's warm. It leans toward the orange. This instead is alizarin crimson, and it's cool, transparent red. So then we have, I'm also gonna use raw umber, because raw umber will darken the color for the shadow. It's transparent, right? And it's a greenish brown, greenish yellow brown color. It's very, very useful. So then we have, on the other side, actually here, I'm gonna put down ultramarine. When I finish this tube here, ultramarine blue here. And then on the other side, I'm gonna put black. I might need vermilion, so I'm gonna get a tiny bit of vermilion because we probably will need it for accents in the skin tone. So I'm gonna put vermilion up here, just out of the way. I'm not gonna need a lot of vermilion. And then, so then we have black, right? Black, here it is. I'm gonna put it on the other side so I don't mistake it with the blue, which are basically almost indistinguishable, right? So now I'm gonna move this color out of the way, but I'm going to keep close available, right? The where is it? Castle Earth. have it here, Castle Earth. All right, so actually here. So let's get started. Oh, the medium. The medium, I will use the mix of linseed oil, Venice turpentine, and solvent, terpenoid, right? So linseed oil, Venice turpentine, and linseed oil. Okay, so put it here. I don't need to go roll it around, and I'm going to add to this a tiny little bit of linseed oil. Wow, this is really stuck, right? Linseed oil. Okay, so mix it, and then before we start painting, we need to oil out the painting, right? I'm gonna use it, oil it out with this, right?